On diesel heater, we're going to do time setting. So this is the setting. So now it's 6:43, 6 plus 12, that's gonna be, we're in military time, that 18:43. Setting 1. Okay. 8. Okie dokie. 43. That's gonna be 44 now. Took a little minute. Okay. We good. Let's do it on. Turn on and press and hold. Okay, so 18, 19. Let's put it at 19. Setting. Okay. Again, setting. On. Okay, hold. 1. Okay. 9. 9:50. No. Okay. Okay, 9. And sometimes you have to press gazillion times. 19. A-okay. We got it. Let's watch it like a hawk. Ooh, I heard it. I heard the relay. But the problem with this heater is it doesn't start at the first time. And I don't care, I can start on my own this heater, I do not care. The thing that I care is to turn it off automatically. It's actually working. Pump is pumping. Yay! Hooray! Okay, let's set for let's give it 10 minutes. Okay, so 1902, and let's hear if it's at the 1910. Gonna 1903, 1910. It should stop. It is nice and toasty here. Ooh, it's off. Beautiful. It is off. Wow, love it, love it, love it. All right, have a good day. Well, my friends, apparently you can combine work with vacation.